Hey, welcome everybody. Welcome to the Ridgeway world. I'm Jeff. You're not. So we're in Beachcomber Campground, and every year we do something crazy with Halloween. Mainly the girls do. I just act like a moron and dress up and things like that, like I'm told to do. So, but at our site next door is where they're doing the presentation or the decorations and things. So here, I'll give you a little site visit from the behind side.
Hello.
There's one of the creepers.
A creeper.
It's a creeper,
Listen,
yeah.
We're spray painting different things on here. We're doing the psycho ward, so I'm going to put spray paint help on here and a couple other things in different areas. We got all the lights up, and we're just getting out like some of our
Decorations.
yeah, like we got to figure out where they're going to go. So, and then when we get it all together, like if you film things sporadically, I can like speed them up and they can all see it from beginning to finish.
Start to finish, very good.
Okay. This one's gonna be hell.
See, Connie and Gail have a big issue here. Look at all these totes of Halloween decoration.
Oh.
I think it's more Gail than Connie, though, right?
Than there are here.
Right. So, but
You need a pink. No, it looks a little pink.
either way, this is
Sprayed
big
over
festivities.
again.
Usually we go to Tall Pines, which is outside of Elmer, and the girls go crazy and decorate. For the last probably 6 or 7 years, they won every time they go, so they get a free weekend. Last year they were big losers, though. Big losers. All of you were big losers last year, right, Gail? Yeah.
I'll peck your eyes out.
So either way, they had to move the traveling road show to Beachcomber down here near Cape May. Beautiful campground. I'll probably do a ride around just to look around and show you a little bit about it, do a little improv eval of everything going on. But we'll keep you up to date until we're back. welcome back from Halloween weekend at Beachcomber Campground. I want to let you look at the back of my truck. It's like dog hair everywhere, just from our two puppies, which I love dearly, but they shed so crazy, it just fills the whole back of the truck up, even when I have the carrier sling in the back for them. But the weekend was good. I'll say it's iffy. This is the first time we did Beachcomber as a Halloween decoration thing. The girls usually go all out at Tall Pines every year and usually win every year there. So they wanted to take the traveling road show to Beachcomber. Well, we had the monsoon on Friday, which was basically hell on wheels coming through there with wind and heavy rains. We even thought about, the possibility of leaving and coming home, but we stayed it out. Also had issues with the trailer. This has an automatic leveling system in it, and I had to reboot it 3 times to get the trailer level. It just wouldn't allow me to go through the phases of opening the slides and level and things like that. And even after I got it, well, right when we got there on Thursday, when I was leaving today, I had to reboot the system 3 separate times to get it to work properly. So yeah, it sort of kind of pissed me off. And I'm not that much into Halloween. I'll dress up and do the makeup and all that crap, but that's because I'm made to. So, but either way, Kenny, Dottie, Gail, Terry, Connie, they do a great job every year decorating, for these different things that they do. They come up with these ideas, and they work all year basically coming up with the ideas. The other thing was, I wanted to get a golf cart so I could basically show Beachcomber Campground to everybody, similar to what I did at Massey's Landing. But they were out of golf carts, so I got screwed, basically. So, but either way, the trailer's a pigsty. You'll see when I get in. There's dog hair everywhere. There's Halloween shit everywhere. So here's what I'm going to show you. I don't even see if the dog hair's all over the place. We took the recliners out so we could put the dog beds in, but it turns out the more, huh?
Nice to see that you're filming.
Well, what am I supposed to do here? I want to show what kind of a pigsty it is, because all the Halloween crap in here, it was supposed to be the dog beds. Look, here's a dog bed here, Halloween shit. Dog bed, where do you, oh, there's 2 under there. More Halloween shit. It's actually turned into a dirt ball place in here. Look, wait, oh, here, see if I can zoom in on this. Look at the dog hair all lined up here. Love my dogs dearly, but good God, it's just everywhere. So this thing, before we close up for the season, which is probably going to be this weekend, is going to need a total cleaning. So,
It'll get done.
Will it?
Yes.
What are you doing?
I'm have to clean out the closet. I have a lot of stuff in here.
Oh yeah, you got a lot of stuff. Here's more. Look, more crap from Halloween. You haven't even took the makeup off. I thought that's what you went in the house for.
Jeff, this makeup will come off.
Yeah, but it's all over the stinking pillowcase and the
And
thing too from last night.
We can wash them. I was exhausted last night.
Well, it doesn't matter. It's still, you got to take some of the crap off because.
Yeah, you're
right.
Are you? You know what? Come here.
What?
Here, have one of these. Go ahead, have one of these.
Oh, thanks.
Because you're being awful miserable.
I do like Snickers bars, but.
No.
I'm being miserable. Look, people.
Jeff.
Yeah, look, people. Still got the makeup from last night. God knows.
There's nothing wrong with not washing your face 1 night out of 365 nights.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah,
but at least the
okay.
bathroom's clean.
Really?
What? Did you get it out of your system?
Happy Halloween.